Hi, I'm Elaine with WTI. If you're looking for lighting that is easy to install, elegant, and you can put everywhere, then look no further than this pair of green tulip wall sconces from Shenmoyl. The most important factor that I was completely excited about was that it had rechargeable bulbs you can turn on with a button or use the remote. The quality of this glass is top notch, and I just love the pair in my room. Shenmoyl took good care in packaging. They were very secure in the box, and the directions were very straightforward and simple. It didn't take but a minute to put it together. I was installing in a concrete wall, so I didn't have to deal with electric or wiring. It was easy peasy. There are many colors you can choose for lighting up your mood of the day, or you can have them softly fade into each other. I loved adding this beautiful new lighting to my room. The wall sconces just make me smile. I love it, and that's just my point of view.